When a column or row no longer serves you, there's only one thing to do: delete them. What that means is now you actually take that entire column or row and you just completely remove it and you scooch everything over to the side as if it never existed. I'm Shira V, founder of Excelsior.com, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to delete entire rows and entire columns in a snap. Inside of your spreadsheet, you've got your data and you want to completely remove an entire column. The way you do it is you select the column first, then you right-click and you hit the delete option. Everything scooches to the side and it's as if it never happened. It was never there. I'm going to Control-Z and undo that. Same thing applies with the row. You just right-click on it and then you do delete. A couple things to note: you can do multiple columns at a time by clicking and dragging around, so you get multiple columns at once. One right-click and delete, and they're all gone at the same time. Same thing for the rows, you can select multiple rows at a time too. If you want to do this faster with the keyboard, you can just do Control-Space to get that entire column, and the keyboard shortcut for deleting the cells are Control-, which is the same thing as right-clicking and doing delete. So that is how you actually delete an entire row or column super fast. Careful not to confuse this with actually hitting the backspace key, which will just delete the contents of the very first cell that you have selected, which is not what you want to do. Or if you're on the PC and you hit the delete key, not the backspace, it will actually just clear the contents but leave that cell, those cells there. So that's not the same thing as right-clicking and deleting or hitting the Control-. Notice that difference. There's a subtle difference, but it's there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Sometimes you're deleting and it's just not doing what you want it to do, so here's what you gotta do to make it work the way you want it to.